火の精霊サラマンダー。
私の言霊魔法の前では全て
の話では白夜の魔眼の幹部についていたが、
その相手は後にしたいのですが。
Docs gang, how are you doing? So guys, I'm sure you all know about what's going on in the world right now. There's a rampant disease going around called coronavirus, and quite annoying. So you know what, in light of that, I decided to make light of a crappy situation by I told myself, I was like, you know what, why not make a coronavirus type beat? So I came up with a few ideas. Now people are, because like when I first thought of it, I'm like, what is a coronavirus type beat? And I've seen other people on YouTube sample Cardi B or saying something about it and stuff like that, and it turned out pretty fire. And I was like, you know, how can I make this interesting? And after hours of thinking, I was like, wait a minute. There was a movie that I watched recently. It's called Contagion. It talks about how viruses can be the end of the world, blah, 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 that stuff. But I also noticed that it had an OST. So I was like, you know what? Let me sample the OST from Contagion and maybe look for some samples of coughs and sneezes on YouTube of like those sound effects. Put something together and make it into a fire beat. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is what we are going to do. Okay, yeah. I think that's about it. And also, in all seriousness, I hope everyone's safe. That's why I put a link in the description to donate to like it's like an organization that donates to COVID-19 research. So if you would, just donate to them. But yeah, let's just get right into it. Don't forget to join the Discord, because it's always popping. We do live beat critiques, all that good stuff. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, because that'll help me out a lot. All right, don't forget to turn on post notifications, okay? All right, join notification gang. And yeah, let's get into it. Let's get it. All right, I made this little playlist of songs I could sample from the Contagion soundtrack. So I'm just go ahead and download all of them. All right, we got all the soundtracks. Now let's look at some samples of some coughing and sneezing. All right, so coughing sound effect. All right, now I feel like I'm contracting something.
12 seconds later.
All right, guys, so we're back in FL Studio, and I have all of the samples ready to go. Where are they? They are here in this conveniently named COVID-19 folder. And yeah, so here are the OSTs, and then here's some just coughing and sneezing samples. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose one of the samples and see which one I want. So we're gonna go ahead and find ourselves a very nice loop.
Many months later.
Okay, so we found an insane melody, okay? I found this melody. It's reversed. It sounds like this. Oh my god, I am so ready to put some drums on this. Okay, then we also have this like Southside-ish Pyrex Whipple kind of melody. Yeah, but I kind of want to start with this melody real quick. Let me get to my hi-hats. I think we're gonna use the spins for this one. Okay. Now, let's get the kicks in. I'm gonna add the coughs and sneezes after I get the drums fully down. Alright, so 808 pattern is looking nice, looking very nice. Now, you know what, let's just add the sneeze and the cough samples because that would make a lot of sense. Let's just look for some nice, I mean, these samples have like multiple sounds, so I'm gonna look for ones that are like more like perks and like shorter. I'm gonna cut them up and chop them up and all that stuff. I think we're on something, just a little bit, probably not. All right, now let's This is so weird. I'm sampling someone coughing. This is weird. Kind of, I don't know. This is all right, right? I was gonna say the beat's done, but I forgot I didn't mess with the hi-hats. Hold on, I didn't fix the hi-hats. I need to fix it real quick. Just give me 2 seconds. it is. There's my coronavirus type beat. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That turned out a lot better than I expected. Hey, it is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? So appreciate you guys getting to that. If you did, make sure you, first of all, join the Discord. All right, the Discord is lit. All right, join the Discord. Don't forget to like the video, comment on video sessions in the future, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All right, that's not hard. All right, and also like it. Just hit the like button. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Do both. All right, and obviously post notifications. But yes, thank you once again for watching, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace.